Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Projects of one-story houses with a terrace are very popular today. The variety of external and internal design allows you to create your dream house, cozy, comfortable and beautiful. At the same time, there is always the opportunity to equip the adjacent territory in the same style as the house itself and create a harmonious corner. Advantages and disadvantages. Considering the issue of building a house, everyone decides for himself which format to give preference to, but often the choice falls on one-story houses with a terrace since they have a number of advantages. Such a house always looks attractive, harmoniously combined with the surrounding landscape. It is possible to decorate the building under construction in absolutely any style, be it high-tech or chalet, Scandinavian or modern. The terrace can be arranged in any of the styles. The terrace provides excellent opportunities for relaxation. Depending on its design and arrangement, additional rooms can be placed there, for example a kitchen, a dining room, as well as simply create a recreation area, thereby building a fireplace for the winter version or limit yourself to a summer pastime. The terrace can have different sizes and configurations, it all depends on the area of the site and the house. There can be several terraces, for example on one side of the house and on the other. The structure can occupy an area along one wall, span a corner, and so on. As for the cons, they are also present. The construction of a terrace requires additional costs for the purchase of building materials, decorations. If you plan to make it covered and use it all year round, you will have to think about heating, which will also entail additional costs. And a one-story house with a terrace, especially a large area, will take up a lot of space on the site, but this is a minus only when the area for construction is limited. But it is worth noting that even if there are disadvantages, they are very conditional and any of them can be eliminated or a way out can be found, how to make the disadvantages less significant. A house with an open terrace can be either large or compact. At the same time, there are always different possibilities for equipping a terrace. It can be either completely without a roof or located under a common roof with the house, or even have a separate structure. Of course, although an open terrace creates a sense of space, there is always a risk of getting wet in the rain. And in cool weather on such a terrace, you will no longer sit with a cup of coffee, enjoying the surrounding view. But in a spacious house where the terrace runs along the entire perimeter, occupies two walls or one of them completely, you can create a stylish design, divide the entire area into zones. This outdoor space will become a favorite for many family members and for guests too. Small houses suggest that access to the terrace will be carried out either from the kitchen or from the living room. On such a terrace, a table with chairs will be enough, or perhaps just a cozy sofa with a coffee table and a chaise lounge will do. The glazed terrace is already more often acquiring the status of a veranda. Inside your room can be more solid. You can use it all year round and even equip a full kitchen with a dining room there. For example, in 4-room houses where families with 2 or 3 children live, there may be a lack of space. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.